Hey guys, I'm Diana.
I'm Denise, and we're Tukisa.
I know recently, everyone's been loving this show. It's on Netflix. It's called Squid Game. We've been watching it so much. I really love it.
So good.
We really love it. I bet most of the guys watching it also really love the show. So
We decided to do the second episode of styling outfits. First time we on Emma. This time we're gonna do on the actress Ho Yeon, who played number 67, Savior. So we like her feet. So we decided to style some of hers based
really
on
like it.
Instagram and also like on
from
Pinterest.
Pinterest.
So yeah, if you guys,
I hope you guys enjoy.
yeah.
So
let's get started.
Sin or shy, I wanna know your name. Baby, you're bubbly and radiant. You got some flavor and I'm tryna savor it. Palm gripped on the fruit, sipping on that juice. Like skateboard P and Diddy, finna get loose. Ooh. Pardon me if I flake on occasion. They like Dwayne, I'm more like Michael Cera. Never was the type to feel like singing. Never was the type to go and take it. Gentleman, the way my mama raised me. Yeah, she's praying for me since I was a baby. Now my life is orbited by angels. Now my life's obtaining on the paper. Yeah. Oh, like you right. Could you come over and say I'd like to pull you in and never let go. Never let go. My daddy had the bootleg. We can watch him, or not watch him. It's whatever. Do you mind if I ask you something? Yo, come on, bro. Let me get the oxys tone, man. Alright, whatever.
You are now listening to Lint's Radio.
Hey, what are you doing? What is
You're
this?
a cool guy.
I wanna see my baby soon. If the world is over, may I be a go-to. I wanna see my baby soon. It might be tough to show you, but you're the one I long to. Oh. 50-24, we threw down at every party. I was still on 19th with Mardo and Angie. Sipping Captain Morgan and we spilled that tea like Boston. Later, every function, I miss all that dumb shit.
So that's the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like the feats and comes Ho Yeon. And tell us who you want to see next in the comment section down below. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe down below. And comment which video you like the most compared to all the six that we showed you guys. So that's the end of the video. Bye!
I'm a poster like Geppetto, feel like soldier, I'ma tell them singing. I wanna see my baby soon. If the world is over, may I be a